Hello guys, Marvin Williams here today with a new video update. And basically what I'm going to be showing you today is how to do login ads, HTML login ads, image ads for your viral mailer programs. This is going to be very easy and simple. And what you're going to need to do is log in to whatever viral mailer or Safelists program that you have your login credits with. In this demonstration, I'm going to be using my instant list builder. So I'm going to just go ahead and log into my account. And basically, we're going to be using an image that's similar to this one right here. So you want to use a nice, large, catchy image. You don't want the image to be too large because if the image is too large, most admins of these viral mailers programs or the safe list, they will not approve your ad if it's too big because it's going to look distorted and it's going to distort the code on the website. So you don't want it to be too big. And the one that we're going to be using is going to be pretty much the same size as this one right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and log in to this mailer right here. See how this image is right here. You pretty much want it to be like this right here, almost. Okay, like this. Whoever this person is, they have a nice size image right here. It's catchy and it's right in your face. So I'm gonna just go ahead and bypass all of this stuff. And a lot of these viral mailers, especially if you're in like Easy Leads and Cash, there's a section within inside that program that gives you free promo codes that you can use to get, more, get a lot of credits and a lot of like login ads and stuff like that. You can even convert your credits to get login ads if you don't have them. Or if you want to, you can also go ahead and purchase login ads as well because they work really great if you have a nice catchy one, because as soon as the person is logging in, they're going to be presented with that ad before they get to their account. So what you're going to do, if for those people that are inside of my instant list builder, basically you're going to click where it says set up advertising. If you're in another program, most likely they're going to say the same thing. Is either going to say set up advertising, buy advertising. You can click on any of those links and it's going to be the same thing. Or set up advertising, where it says set up advertising or buy advertising, or it'll say access advertising or something like that to that effect. But 9 times out of 10, it's going to say set up advertising or buy advertising. So I'm going to just go ahead and click right here where it says set up advertising. And this is going to show me or show you all of the advertising options that you have on your account. And I'm going to keep going down until I come to where my login ads are. And okay, so look like I don't have any login ads on this account yet. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase some. I have one, which I already used. And I'm going to go ahead and edit that out as well. So what you're going to do is, if you end this program and you don't have any login ads, you can just come right here where it says purchase login ads. You can either use 20,000 credits if you have credits on your account, or it'll cost you $20 for the login ad. So I'm going to go ahead and use my credits. And I'm going to just go ahead and purchase a couple of them. Let me just go back. I have 40,000 credits on this account. Go back into setup again. And I'm going to do 2 login ads on this account right here. So go ahead and purchase another one. And then I'm going to go ahead and set this up right now. So once you finish doing that, if you're just purchasing them, you can just go ahead and click right here where it says click here to set up ad. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to name this. In this case, I'm going to be doing this for Easy Leads and Cash. Whatever program it is that you're doing it for, whatever you want to name it here, they're not going to get to see the subject line. This is only for your preference. So when you log in, you would know what ad, what that login ad is for. So I'm going to go ahead and put in ELAC, ELAC, and this is going to be number 1. So because I'm going to be using image number 1. So for those of you that are inside of Easy Leads and Cash, you can just go ahead and click on banners. And right here, you're going to have some large images that you can use. These are some large images that were just updated inside the system. So once you click on this right here, this is going to give you the large, 2 large images for right now that you can use. There's going to be some more added later. Now, here is the thing. These are just temporary codes. Now, you can change out this first link right here to whatever capture page link that you're going to be using. So I'm going to just go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to go ahead and put that inside of my notepad. And whatever you want to bring up a notepad so that you can edit it. Or you can just, actually, you know what? I'm going to just go ahead and make it a lot easier. I'm going to just go ahead and copy this. Close that. Go back into my HTML editor over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click right here where it says HTML. You're going to click on this. And then you're going to wait for that to load. And then you're going to paste the code right in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get the link that I'm going to be using. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and change this out because I want to use a capture page. And this is going to be my instant list builder. So what you want to do is you're going to change out the first link right here. Okay, you're going to change this to whatever capture page link that you're going to be using, or whatever sales page link that you're going to be using for this image. And all you have to do now is just click on update. And then once you finish clicking on update, you're going to go ahead and click on save. And then now I'm going to go back. And I'm going to scroll down, and we're going to take a look at that image right now to see what it looks like. So it's going to be right here, which is ELAC 1. I'm going to go over here to edit. And this is what the image look like right here, okay? You don't have to do anything to the image. You can just let it stay the way it is because you don't want to break the link with inside the image itself. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this and then go back out. You can just click on save. So I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to go back over here to do another one. So I'm going to scroll down over here. Log in. Click on login ads because I have one more, and this is going to be ELAC 2. And you could name your login ads or whatever you want to name it. It's totally up to you. I'm naming it according to the program that I'm doing. So I'm going to go back over here, and then I'm going to get large image again. And I'm going to come down, and I'm going to copy this HTML code right here. Copy that and go back in. Click on HTML right here. And then wait for that to load. Paste my code in there, and then now what I'm going to do is change the link right here, which is the first link, because I want to use this capture page link right here. And then once you finish doing that, you just click on update, and then now you can just click on save. And I'm going to go back in and take a look at that right now, see what that look like. Where's my login ads? Right here, number 2. Go to edit, and then there's what here's what it look like. Okay, as you can see, it's right here right now. When someone goes to log in, once this is approved, well, let me just click on save and go back out. Once your login ad is approved by the Viral Mail or the Safelists admin, right here under approve, it's going to say yes. Okay. Very easy, guys. I mean, that's pretty much it. And then when someone goes to log in, let me just log out of here and then log back in and see if someone is going to show up another login banner ad. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and log in here. All right, see this person here? They have a huge image in here right here. I don't recommend doing it that big, but that's fine. But I really don't recommend it because the person's gonna have to scroll up and down through the image. You want it to be right directly in their face as soon as they log in without having to scroll up and down on the message that you're trying to present to them. Okay. Just go through all of this. Skip. And let's see if I have one in another program. I'm going to go over to No Marketer Left Behind and log in and do a login ad over in this program as well. Go to login. So this, see how does this right here? I mean, this person is trying to get someone to sign up into their program. But if you're doing it like this, it doesn't really look that good. But if you do a nice image, it attracts people attention as they're logging in. Let me just log out and log back in again and see what happens. Hopefully someone else has a better login ad than that one there. I mean, that's all right here. But there's no call to action on this, so it looks like it's just part of this page right here. So just try one more and see what happens. Ah, same thing. That's even worse. Yeah, see, those are even worse right here. Anytime you do it like this, guys, I mean, even if you're gonna do text like this, you want to try and make it, I mean, like something like this right here, where it stands out rather than making it look, kind of all jumbled up. See, people like that will just go ahead and just skip past that. But if it's a nice looking image, it kind of like, grabs their attention for them to click on it. So I'm going to just go ahead and skip all of this and go ahead and put my ad in here, my login. So let's see if I have a login ad. Go to setup. And nope, don't look like I have one. All of my login ads already taken. So let me see if I have enough credits. Don't have enough credits. All right, let's see something. Let me try another one. Thank you page connection. That's not bad, but it still doesn't have a call to action on it. Go ahead and skip. Go to setup ads right here. Let's see if I have enough credits in here to get a login ad. Banners, text. One login ad right here. And okay, so I have one login ad. So I'm going to go ahead and do a login ad in here. And this one here is going to be the same thing, ELAC. And this is going to be, let's see which one I'm going to use. I'm going to just go ahead and use this black one right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and copy this. Going right here where it says HTML, click on that so it comes up so I can paste the code. And then now I'm going to change the link right here, the first link at the very top. And thank you page. And click on update. And then now all I have to do is just click on save. And this is going to be ELAC1. Click on save. Click here to go take a look and see what it looks like. And it would be this one right here. And that's what it's going to look like. So like you can scroll up and down through here. All right, so yep, looks pretty good. And let's just see, let's try that again, logging out and logging back in, and see if we can find an ad that looks presentable on the login. Go to login. Yep, see, this is one of my ads right here. So, I mean, right in their face as soon as they log in, a nice little call to action, someone clicks on it, it just takes them right over to this page right here, which is also a capture page. So, I mean, like I say, always want to use a capture page when doing your advertising, guys. So that's going to be it for this video. The next video that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to post headline links inside of some of the viral mailers, and show you guys how to do some advertising in those other viral mailers, because a lot of these viral mailers, they have a lot of different options on how to do advertising in them. So I'm going to be making videos and showing you guys how to do a lot of different advertising with inside these viral mailers and Safelists to build your email list, so that you can really start making a lot of money from these viral mailer programs, because they really do work. If they didn't work, you wouldn't see a whole lot of people joining them and advertising in them. So that's going to be it for this video. Marvin Williams out.